everyone, I am Shreyansh Goyal and today we will be removing the boredom effect from your study session. It is a very common thing that we all get bored while studying, especially when we are studying for long hours. That long hour sitting really takes the motivation out of you, right? So, what are some methods that we can apply to make our study sessions more interesting and less boring? Number 1, the price trap. We all know that our mind craves for something which gives us a sense of satisfaction in ourselves. What we have to do is use this trait for our own good. What you have to do is find something which you find satisfactory. It can be anything: eating a chocolate, singing, dancing, playing guitar, or talking to your friends and family. Legit. You can do anything which you find satisfactory, and it can change day to day. Now, what you have to do is take this thing and keep it as a reward of your study session. You won't do that particular activity, that particular thing until you complete the objective for today. What I am simply asking you to do is keep this desire of doing this particular thing which you find satisfactory to yourself until you haven't completed your study session or your study objective for the day. You have to restrict yourself from doing this particular thing. This will help you to improve your focus and complete your study session or your study objective within the time frame so that you can do whatever you have been craving for throughout the whole day, and boom, it's a win-win from everywhere. Number 2, healthy competition. By competition, I didn't mean that you have to fiercely compete with someone and compare your marks with someone else. It has nothing to do with this. All you have to do is find someone who is in the same course as you are. This will help you in many ways. Firstly, it will make you conscious that you are not alone in this and you will be left behind if you are not working hard every day. Number 2, it will help you clear your doubts on a daily basis. And the third and most important thing is the other person who you will be talking to or sharing your study sessions or clearing your doubts with will be able to relate with you as you both are in the same course. So it will help you in the long run so that you have someone to compare, you have someone to clear your doubt, you have someone to tell all the problems that you are facing throughout the course, and you both will be able to help each other. Third method is easy but yet another effective method, which is you have to keep switching between the practical and theory subjects. This will help you in bringing down the monotonicity that we have in our study session usually. The fourth and most important thing is to keep watching my videos as I release them. Further, you can reach out to me anytime through my social media handles. Links are in description. See you in the next video.